Good morning, my people. Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning, everyone. As you can see, it's early morning. I'm just heading to work. But this thought comes to my mind. And I say I must say it out. Because my own is to pass message. Your own is to take the message or you leave it. I have come to a conclusion that from now onwards, I will just come and tell you my mind, and I will tell you the secret, and I will tell you what is happening on the ground. I will leave you to do what is in your mind. My message this morning is very short and very simple and directed to Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo, please wake up. Why am I saying this? I am saying this because we have been surrendered by the enemies. The Fulanis have surrendered our bushes and our forests. And they have used many people to create work for our ESN. ESN alone can no longer do the protection of Igbo land because we have different type of enemies now who have made it difficult for only ESN to protect our land. And why Ndi Igbo is busy chasing for irrelevant things, looking for election or no election. The Fulani machineries, the Fulani killers, the Fulani people have planted their machineries. All the repentant Boko Harams, all the people, the ISIS, swap, those people, they hire them from the north, from the Sahel desert. All of them are in our forest now. That is why you are not seeing them operating again the way they used to operate. That is why you are not seeing them coming out the way they used to come before. Just a minute. Before you hear Fulani, they will be all running everywhere. Their mission now, if you watch them, why am I saying this morning? Because our people are so, maybe we are easily carried away without monitoring what is going on. I don't know how the Biafra land, how the Igbo people most especially, can defend themselves when the attack will start. Many of you will think I am not saying what I am saying is nonsense. Let me take you back to what they reviewed to the private Methodist Church, Uche, who paid ransom of 100 million. They categorically told him that after they collect this ransom, they will use it to buy more sophisticated weapons to attack Igbo land. Their mission is not to make you to stop being Igbo. Their mission is to reduce our population. Their mission is to reduce our population, and their mission is very simple. If we don't rise up now to support, to make the youth to rise up and to chase these people out of our forest, the kind of excess kidnapping that we start during the campaign, they have already mapped out their plans to start kidnapping once campaign hit up the plight. Once the campaign hit up the plight, they will start kidnapping. And while they are kidnapping, it will be very difficult for you to detect who is kidnapping. They will tell you it's politician, some will say it's APC, while some will tell you it's IPOB. You can never suspect them. You can never suspect them. That's why I am thinking and I am suggesting that Ndi Igbo should wake up to secure their land first, secure your lives first, secure your forests and bushes first before you can be going to anything that you have to do about the election, election national. Because if we relax ourselves the way we are relaxing now, believe you me, the kind killings that will take place in Biafra land, especially Igbo land, will be unimaginable, unbelievable, unthinkable. Anya ọbụna nnụrụ ya ga-agba ọbara, ntị ọbụna nnụrụ ya anya ọbụna afụrụ ya ga-agba ọbara, ntị ọbụna nnụrụ ya ga-asụ ulu ulu. That is why Unjafum Njagunu this thing. That is why Ejafunje make this video. Excess kidnapping will start from before the month of September. You will be seeing month of September, October, November, December will be very terrible for Ndi Igbo. Month of October, September, October, November, December will be very, very terrible for Ndi Igbo. And why I am saying this? Is for the lives, to save the lives and properties of Ndi Igbo. Whether you believe in Biafra or not, your life matters a lot. It doesn't mean that you don't believe in Biafra, we shall allow you to die. No. We are trying to restore Biafra because of you, so that you will see the difference between life in a country that has freedom, a freedom of association, a freedom of speech, freedom of movement, and freedom of belonging. You will see the difference between a such country and a country that don't know what freedom of speech is all about. You will see us gallivanting in Europe, making everything, being successful in Europe, is because the country and the government, the youth, they paid the price to make their country be like that. You have your time to pay your own price. Nothing comes easy. Our forests have been surrendered by the Fulanis, and the kidnappers and the armed robbers and the betrayers have made the work more difficult for ESN. ESN cannot do it alone. ESN cannot do it alone. And another word I want to say before I drop it is that the Biafrans must prepare their mind for the upcoming revolution, because revolution must take place for Biafra to be restored. Mark my words, you must prepare yourself for what is about to happen, because many things are going to happen, and if you take you unaware, you are on your own. If everything that is about to happen now take you unaware, you are on your own. Prepare yourself, wake up. Don't allow them to tell you that you are one Nigeria. There is security men, there is Nigerian army. All those people are Boko Haram. There is 90% of the military uniform you are seeing in Biafra land are Boko Haram. They are all Boko Haram. I said again, 90% of people you are seeing in military uniform in Biafra land, in Igbo land especially, they are members of Boko Haram who they recruited, give them names and badge for them to come to Igbo land. When their brothers will be striking, when their brothers will be carrying out their evil activities, you will not see them to confront them. Rather, they will be in another place telling you they are pushing ESN. I don't have much to say. I don't have much to talk. All I have to tell you is this. Ndi Igbo should wake up and face the reality. If not, I am so sorry for my people. I am very, very sorry for you people, because what will befall on you? What will befall on you people? I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to talk it. But I have already told you the reality. Wake up and start protecting Biafra land. Wake up and start doing the needful. Wake up and start chasing Fulani out. The missionaries, the killers, missionaries are in our forest and our bushes. They are waiting for the signal for them to carry it out. And they have created many chaos, many problems to distract your attention. On this note, I say thank you and remain blessed. Biafrans and lovers of freedom, those of you who knows what freedom is all about, the only help you can give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now is to pray for him. The only help you can give Mazi Chike Doziem and China Sanworu now is to pray for them. They don't need any other thing from you. Rather, pray for them because the enemies are intensifying the attack to bring IPOB down. They are well prepared. So you need to pray for them and make sure that you continue praying day and night so that Biafra will be restored, so that they will not deviate, so that the enemies will not conquer them, so that the enemies will not succeed in bringing them down, because that is the only hope Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have for now. They are the only hope Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have for now. Pray for Chike Doziem, pray for China Sanworu, pray for every genuine IPOB principal officer, because we still have a lot of evil principal officers in IPOB. To be honest with you, we still have many of infiltrators serving as IPOB principal officers now, and we have many evil people working as an IPOB. So I call on every Biafrans, let your point of prayer be any IPOB principal officer that is still working against Biafra restoration, working against DOS, working against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let the spirit of those who have died for the restoration of Biafra rise and start hunting them. Let the spirit of Ikonso hunt them down. Let the spirit of those that died for Biafra, let the spirit of Waka Waka, let the spirit of Waka Waka hunt them down. Let the spirit of innocent Biafra start hunting them down. That will be your prayer. Don't allow evil people to deceive you. This is early morning here, you know. Early morning like this, you need to watch your tongue, because whatever you say have to come to pass. That is why I will not reply some people on comment section. And I say, remain blessed, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, until I come your way again. Once again, I remain my humble self, Mazi Achebe Paul. MAP is Yokubuntu, one in Biafra land. I say, Mechuko Kikabi Amonye Purimi Henine, guide and protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said, Mechuko Kikabi Ama, guide and protect every member of DOS and every member of IPOB and every member, all the genuine member of principal officers. Mechuko Kikabi Ama, guide and protect every one of you. Wherever you are, you will not die young. You will live to restore Biafra, and you will enjoy the restoration of Biafra. I say, remain blessed. And I prayed so. So shall it be in Eke, so shall it be in Orio, so shall it be in Nako, so shall it be in Nkwo. He said, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, may Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said, may Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect Mazi Achebe Paul, MAP. I shall not die young. I will live to restore Biafra. Thank you. He said, we shall live to see Biafra. God is with us. God is with us. The only help you can give China Sanworu is to pray for him. The only help you can give Mazi Chike Doziem is to pray for him. And the only help you can give me is to pray for me too. You need to pray for me. I need your prayers too. Because if you're not lazy, almost here Biafra freedom. Elugom no no. Kaiga baba number na kaiga chotifu mwazi geli. Because anyadilo lazy. That's how it is. Remain resolute, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Thank you. And remain blessed. Almost here, Biafra. Jasper, whatever you wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will call back on you, it will befall on you, double upon double. So shall it be. He said.